Hello everybody, we are at the Outer Banks and we have made for you some delicious red, white, and blue patriotic Jello shots, perfect beach drink. We are going to be telling you how to make them step by step and trying them at the end to tell you how they are, so stay tuned. Hello everybody, welcome to corkandjava.com, where your go-to place for coffee and wine reviews and how-tos. On this channel, we like to expand and enrich your experience with all your favorite beverages. Make sure you guys hit subscribe so you never miss a video. So, we have been working on this step by step all day, and we are going to tell you how to make it, and then we're going to tell you how it tastes. So, Chrissy, first, what was the first thing we did?
Alright, so first we had to do this in layers. So the first thing we did was our red layer, and it is a berry gelatin mix mixed with a berry vodka, and then we did half berry vodka and half water ratios. We let them sit in the fridge for maybe like an hour.
Yep.
And then what do we do for the second layer, Bren?
The second layer is, this is where you can, there's a lot of variation to get the white layer. We used coconut rum as our liquor, and what we did was we took just unflavored or non-flavored gelatin and mixed that with 1 cup of water over the stove, blended a half cup of coconut cream, or a half cup of coconut rum, and then we also added a half cup of the sweetened condensed milk to give it the white color.
Yep. And then so for our last layer, the blue layer, we did a berry blue gelatin mix mixed with some blue curacao as well as just some regular Tito's vodka. And they turned out great, and like I said, each time we did a couple hours in the fridge to really make sure that the layers set up well so that they didn't blend. So we got this really nice red, white, and blue patriotic thing going.
Yeah, don't put hot or warm Jello mix on top of your other layers because it'll just seep through. So definitely be patient and wait as long as you can, especially if you're, you know, in a rush. Just like stick it in the freezer, help expedite it as much as you can.
And these little Dixie cups were really helpful, and we were able to put them in the cookie, like a deeper cookie sheet, and that was a really good, good setup.
Easy transport.
Yep.
And these do come with lids. You can get all this stuff on Amazon, super cheap, especially if you're making it for a big crowd. So we'll put links in the description so you guys can check those out, pick them up there. Okay, so we have been slaving away all day on these, so I'm excited to
give it a
try them. It's freezing out here if you couldn't tell. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Everybody grab one.
How do you drink it?
You take the finger and you spin it around it, and then you throw it back.
Loosen it up, and then you drink it.
Okay, ready?
All right, so here's the dream team. Ready?
All right, let's go.
Ready?
The white part you can't throw it back, you gotta chew it.
That is
Mine
solid.
No. Only my top part came off. It's okay, try it again.
Is there a gummy in there? What is that?
Sweetened condensed milk.
Don't throw up.
You guys spit it out.
That bad, Will?
Where you go? I don't know. So good.
Well, it really is a mouthful. That middle layer is really chewy.
Yeah, it's kind of more of like a gummy texture more than a Jello texture, but yeah, I'm into it. I like it.
So if you don't like that, maybe find like a coconut or pina colada or like some kind of layer for the white if the gummy texture does not suit you.
Very good, very good.
But overall, very good. I like the different flavors of the liquor. So
yeah, they all go really well together.
whew, awesome. Great. All right, well, that is our Jello shot. This is great for any 4th of July, Memorial Day, any sort of, you don't even have to be American really if you have red, white, and blue in your flag. Here you go, make these Jello shots. Tell us what you think.
Yeah.
Okay. Also make sure you guys find us online. We're on Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and Instagram. There's great content and great community in all those places, so don't miss out. We're looking forward to seeing you guys online, so until next time, bottoms up!